hosting a LinkedIn bootcamp, and it's a not miss event for anybody who wants to use LinkedIn as a business tool. So a few days ago, I launched a survey asking people, why are you on LinkedIn? And the survey hasn't even finished yet. It's got more days to go, but already almost 4,000 people have answered. And the majority right now, 79% who have answered have said that they're using it for business. And from those people, the majority, over 50%, said that they're using it as a very important tool for business. All right. So let me put up the information on the screen. If you go to my profile, you'll see, and hold on, let me put up the information already. So it's KristaMolione.com/LinkedIn Bootcamp. So this bootcamp is especially for anybody who's serious about making money on LinkedIn, using LinkedIn as a business tool. And like I said, when I ask people, why are they on LinkedIn? Most people say that they're on LinkedIn to make money, to make business connections. So what that means is that it's not Facebook. It's not something that people go on just to be social, to watch cat videos, to vent about weird stuff, to join groups about their interests, to talk to their family members. LinkedIn is a business platform. So if you're interested in using it as a business platform, let me tell you the 5 reasons why you should come to my boot camp. All right. So the very first one is because I'm a business person. Contrary to LinkedIn trainings, which you may or may not have taken, I hit LinkedIn from a very, very specific perspective, as I don't want to just know the bells and whistles or know all the functionality of LinkedIn like you would learn in a training. And I'm not saying that's bad, because believe me, when I joined LinkedIn, I've taken like several LinkedIn courses from different people, and I learned something new every single time, which tells you that there is absolutely no one flavor of LinkedIn. So, don't ever think, oh, I took one LinkedIn training, so I'm good, right? But I definitely am not going to be teaching you the basics of LinkedIn. I'm going to be teaching this from a business perspective. And that's a very unique angle that has made me a lot of money. All right. And I think it's pretty rare. I don't think a lot of times business people are teaching LinkedIn boot camps. Most of the time it's LinkedIn trainers. So you see, you're going to get a really different perspective. And me, I'm going straight towards the money. I have a very unique way of using LinkedIn that has made me 7 figures organically since I first started. Second reason that you guys should come to my bootcamp is because it's not frequent. I'm not a LinkedIn coach. I'm not a trainer. So while I do have some LinkedIn services, and I also will do a LinkedIn paid consult, I'm not interested first and foremost in doing this regularly. So I'm really doing this because I feel like it right now, but it's not really what I do. So this is a unique opportunity to get into this boot camp, because I don't know when I'm going to repeat this. All right. So that's number 2. Number 3 is because this is an opportunity to have live contact with me in a setting where I'm open to answering your questions. A consult with me starts at $395 and goes all the way to $1,200 for a consult. I'm good at what I do, and I have coaching clients and I have various programs. So I don't think you can get my attention for that cheap in most settings. All right. So that's number 3. I don't think you want to miss that opportunity no matter what, because if you have questions, I will be live with you on the call. Okay. And number 4 is I've put together an amazing package for you guys. So you're going to get the replay. So if you can't come live, and you can rewatch it at your leisure. So if timing's an issue, you register, you'll get the replay, and you'll get lifetime access. By the way, I'm not one of those people who's like, okay, you can watch this for one day and then, a month later it's gone. Also get a ton of bonus materials. And the last reason of this is that I'm giving you a money back guarantee. I just am so convinced that you can't lose with this program that I'm going to say, you do the training, you put in the work, you will see results, more followers, more engagement on your posts, more DMs, more people signing up to get on a call with you or requesting quotes if you have a business. People reaching out to offer you things like, hey, I saw your thing. I want you to be on my podcast. I want to collaborate with you. I want you to be a speaker at my event. These are all the results that I'm talking about when I say success. Well, you can't really lose. So my question is, why don't you sign up? But I've gotten a lot of questions since I announced this boot camp. What you have to do, Yasir, is you have to decide what is your goal on LinkedIn as a recruitment officer. So are you trying to find candidates on LinkedIn? Are you trying to get more visibility for your firm so that people, clients hire your firm to look for candidates? So that's my first question back to you. It will be beneficial if you know your goals. I'm going to be covering is number one, I'm going to go into detail about the mistakes that people typically make and how to fix them. Then I'm going to go into my easy content strategy to get people to see you, to follow you, to grow your engagement. Okay. And the third thing I'm going to go into is social selling and networking done the right way so that you actually get responses. So you're going to increase your visibility. You're going to increase, you're going to take out the stress of content, and you're going to get a lot more people reaching out to you or saying yes to you. My content is great. I don't think I need any help there. So this is not going to be about just your content. I do think that even people who think their content is good, if you're not selling, there's something wrong with your content. But this is not going to be just teaching you how to write better. This is a system, okay? This is a system of how to use LinkedIn for business, to get your goals met, all right? If I already took a LinkedIn course, is this boot camp right for me? Yes, it is if you're not happy with your money-making endeavors. So if you took the LinkedIn class or the course or the boot camp or the training, or whatever you got in the past, maybe when you bought a LinkedIn book. So if you did that and you're still not making enough business on LinkedIn, come to the boot camp. If you took the training and the business is rolling in and it's just amazing, then share your secrets. Don't come to the LinkedIn bootcamp, but share your secrets with other people, right? Maybe give your own bootcamp. Definitely, you guys don't want to miss this. If you're serious about using LinkedIn for business, grab a spot in my bootcamp. Someone said, I don't have a business, should I attend? And my answer to you is, if you're using LinkedIn for business, if you're a salesperson, you're a marketing person, you are a coach, a consultant, or if you're just trying to grow a brand, people who are mostly on LinkedIn are going to be decision makers in companies, white collar professionals, executives, CEOs, thought leaders, people who have money and who are in the power to give you business. So if you have business goals, yes, whether or not you are a business owner, you should come to the boot camp, or you should at least register so you'll get the replay afterwards. Bye-bye.